Today we're going to be reviewing the Cuisinart Food Spiralizer. So I have with me today a few of what I consider dud potatoes. Potatoes that you can't really make a meal out of unless you use a bunch of them. So we're going to see how well this Cuisinart Food Spiralizer can spiralize these spud potatoes. They're russet potatoes. All right. So this is my first time using this. It just came out of the dishwasher. There are some instructions on here. Blade label, safety side must always be in cut position when in use. Position food vertically to spiralize. So that is interesting. Turn for, I don't know, man. Okay, so we want, okay, so right off the bat, one of the things that I noticed is there is two different like devices in here. This here says safety side. Okay, so that's kind of like in lock mode. And then you turn it and there is the razor blade. So putting this in here. This is interesting. Okay, so we're just gonna lock it in. Potatoes are difficult to cut. Not sure that anything is really going on. Okay, there we go. Using some force, a downward force motion. You can hear it grinding. That's good. But is it doing anything? My potato is lodged in there, stuck, not cutting. Maybe we need to try a different dial. Nope, nope. So this is what's going on. The potato is not moving, which it said keep it in a vertical position, and it's just kind of like chewing through. So I'm gonna get a knife and cut it. Just gonna cut it right in half like that. And try this again. Again, we need some force. This is not working at all. Okay, let's open this up and see what's going on. Safety side. There we go. Maybe. Yes. I could see how this would make like great scallop potatoes. Are we at the end? We are. Okay, so this is what's left in there. Not much. We got some nice potato flakes. So what I did is this piece here, okay, it has these different settings, like there's little spiky settings, and it was on one of those and it was preventing it from like slicing, like letting it move. So I just turned this so it kind of like matches up with the other round grooves, and that's what it's like making it easy to slice again. So now I'm gonna try a whole potato in there. Okay, here's what's left of that potato. Oh, my bad. There's a like slice right there. But like it's really going through these things fast. Faster than what I could chop, obviously. Great, love it. So obviously there's a little bit of a learning curve on how to use this, but I think overall, if you're looking to make like potato chips or scallop potatoes or any other type of vegetable chip, this thing seems to be very amazing. I give this a 10 out of 10 for appliances on ease to use. Great little machine. I'm going to continue to make some potato chips here. And you guys have a great day.